So this is Bob Kramer. Welcome back to my channel, Kramer's Garage. This is a follow-up video for the restoration series on the 1978 Honda Goldwing. If you refer back to the series, it's called 1978 Goldwing, From Behind the Barn to Back on the Road. And so anyway, in this video I just wanted to give you a quick walk around. The bike is finally complete. I've put new tires on it, rebuilt the braking systems, rebuilt the carburetors, new timing belts, gone over the entire electrical system and cleaned and secured all the connections. So there's been a lot of work gone into this. I've recently repainted all the bodywork, and it's painted in a maroon similar to a color that Honda was using in those days. But this particular paint in bright sunlight will take on more of a reddish, a metallic red hue, but in overcast light like we have today, it's more of a maroon. So anyway, it's pretty nice paint. I like it a lot. So we'll do a little walk around here. I've put new turn signals and a new headlight on it. I've also added auxiliary LED lights, which are very helpful when you're out on a dark country road. I put 80/20 tires on it, so it is capable, I'm sure, of going down a dirt road and having adequate traction. The front forks have been rebuilt. I've cleaned up the aluminum. I didn't get a high polish on it, but I at least got it to a nice satin finish. Same on the timing belt covers and rocker covers. They're still showing a little patina, but that's okay with me. The exhaust system, I had to build an exhaust system for it. I used headers from a GL 1100 and welded a pipe on and to adapt it to 1 3/4 inch, and then put Harley-Davidson takeoff mufflers on it, and it runs good, sounds good, and so I'm pretty happy with how the whole project came out. Now, I did take this on a road trip over to the Vintage Motorcycle Festival in Birmingham, Alabama in October, and that was 2 months ago, and that's about an 800-mile round trip. The trip went really well. I had no problems whatsoever with the bike. So let's start it up real quick and see how it sounds. Hopefully it'll start right up for me on the first try. Oh yeah. I'm gonna turn on the fuel.